Hi, I'm Tuan, and this is Ariad Fabrication. I'm new to CAD and 3D printing, so I built Ariad to help beginners follow the thread from an idea to evidence, not just generate a convincing picture. I begin in plain language, a cute two-servo robot that can recover after falling. Codex turns the request into a brief I can understand and approve. Important assumptions stay visible instead of being silently invented. Before designing the shell, Ariad identifies what must fit inside: a Raspberry Pi Zero 2, two servos, reserve camera, IMU envelopes. This revision uses external power, so there is no imaginary battery. Those components become a visual blueprint. It communicates layout and design intent. Ariad does not call an image manufacturing evidence. After approval, Ariad moves into real parametric CAD. The robot becomes 9 separate interlocking parts arranged for manufacturing, not one decorative mesh that would need to be glued together. Then Ariad checks each part for solid geometry, dimensions, walls, clearances, interfaces, and bed fit. Digital checks can pass while physical component measurements remain honestly marked as future work. The verified geometry goes through a real processor process. This viewport replaces actual G-code layer by layer. The front shell still carries an overhang warning. Ariad preserves uncertainty instead of hiding it behind a printable badge. I need help? Codex stays inside the current stage. It already knows the project, select part, and warning, so I can ask what to change without explaining the entire build again. Finally, Ariad exports editable CAD, meshes, slicer projects, G-code, profiles, reports, manifests, and checksums. Also recommends a small curious coupon as a first future physical print. GPT 5.6 Codex helped me research fabrication workflows, shape the architecture, build CAD experiments and the interface, write tests, and challenge the claims the evidence could not support. Ariad does not replace physical testing. It makes every step towards it understandable and auditable, following the thread from idea to evidence.